Hello there, I'm Barry Wells of barry-wells.com, and this is part 8 of the Newbies guide to editing and uploading their first website. Okay, in part 7 we created all the payment buttons, so your page should now look like this. Okay, if you're using a different website package, then you could have numerous pages, but you should have a payment button added to them all now. Okay, right, quickly moving on. Excuse me if I seem to rush through this, but I've made this video 5 times now, and because YouTube have a limit of 10 minutes, I keep going over by a minute or a few seconds. One of them was 4 seconds over, so I'm a little bit peeved by that, but we'll crack on anyway. Okay, this is the blog post. If you read through it, it will tell you what's and wherefores and whatever. If you come down here to this blue here, the video will be placed beneath this. If you click the blue here, that will allow you to download an ebook. Okay, now, as you know, I normally do this on the video, with each stage and step covered live, but there were some areas of the screen I was a bit concerned about showing public, so I decided to create an ebook anyway. Okay, and if you click on that link, you'll download it. This is the ebook here. Okay, I'm not going to run through it because that's how I've been going over on the video. Okay, it's all step by step, click by click. Everything's highlighted with a blue circle. Okay, with simple, like from here, click this and you'll see the following page. Yeah, it's all like that all the way through. Okay, now there are a few offers along the way of free items and an example there of various pieces and tasks and what have you. Okay, I've made it as simple as I can by, as you can see, that everything that you need to do has got a blue line, blue circle around it. Okay, right, I'm sorry if I'm rushing, but if you go through the ebook, you can print it out, have it by your side, it'll all make sense. Okay, now we come to making a web form. Okay, again, follow the simple instructions. Select, these are the web forms that we'll be creating. Okay, select one that matches your website or as close to as you can. Okay, there's plenty there, or just select a plain one. Okay, 9 times out of 10 I use a plain one. Right, okay. Obviously I'm just scrolling through. I'll try to find one relevant part that I wish to show you for this live demonstration, because all this is pretty simple. But when you get to this area and you want to publish your web form, okay, you would click here, I will install my form. Okay, and then you have JavaScript or raw HTML. We use raw HTML, and the reason for this is we can edit it on our web page. Yes, we can make it look pretty and everything else. If you use JavaScript, then you have to come back to Aweber to alter the script. Okay, so please select raw HTML. You will then see this code appear. Right click on it, select all, right click and copy. Okay, and once you've copied that, open up your index page. Okay, we're going to quickly go over to there now, where I'll show you exactly how we do it. Okay, how you would get to your index page is, this is your website folder with the complete website in it. Okay, this is what we'll be uploading exactly in this way. So find your index page, because that's the home page of your website, and that is where you your visitors will land. Okay, and you want your opt-in form to be visible when they land. Okay, right, so we right clicked, select open with, come across and find your HTML editing program. Okay, mine is front page, so I would click there, but I've already done that because, as you know, these videos run slow, or the programs run slow with the video, and as I've said, this is the 5th one I've made today. Okay, right, and the others have all been perfect. It's just they've run over the 10 minutes, and it really is frustrating. But if I keep talking, I'm not going to get this done, am I? So, place your cursor at the end of the text, hold down your left mouse button, and drag it over the text. Okay, press delete, make sure your cursor is in the middle. Then the code that I just showed you with the copy on the ebook, you would be doing it live, obviously. You right click and copy. That was where I left you in the ebook, yeah? Right, so you copy that, minimize that, come back to your home page with your cursor here in the middle, click the code button. Okay, Don't touch any part of your keyboard at all. Okay, and then come up to Edit, click. Come down to Paste, click. Come down to Preview, click. Okay, that's the form added. Now, through the ebook I say about offering people freebies to entice them to sign up, yeah? And in this big white space up here, that's where you could put about it, okay? So if you click Design, click somewhere in the middle, and something like you get 5 free ebooks for joining. Okay. You could obviously word it differently. Like I say, I'm rushing a little bit here because of this 10-minute thing. Okay, select the colour to match your existing colours. Change the font as you see fit. I like Verdana. I would go to about a size 14 there and make that bold. Okay, how does that look? Well, that's not too bad. You could use different text and different features. You could change this to a different colour if you so wished. However you wish to do it. Okay, you can make it underlined. Whatever you choose. Okay. Now, get your gifts and updates. I don't really like that. So, double click it. Up this box comes. And you could put there, sign up, sign in, count me in. I'll use count me in. Okay. Click OK. Come down to the bottom. Centralize it. And give your readers a little bit of reassurance. Rest assured your details are safe. Okay, drop down one. I hate spam as well. Okay, something along those lines, just to tell your readers, just to reassure them that you're not going to pass their details on and they're not going to get bombarded with rubbish and whatever. Okay, and you just need to make that small, size 8. Click in the background. Click Preview. Okay, if you're happy with the way that looks, then just click File and Save. If you wish to alter it some more, click Design. Change it about as you see fit. Check it out with Preview, see how it looks on the web, and then click File and Save. Okay? And that is that added to your site. I hope it's been useful. I'm sorry if I seem like I'm rushing, but I'm watching the clock as well as my work. Visit my blog, enter your name, your email, click Count Me In, and you'll be notified of all the updates. Okay? Thanks very much for watching. Oh, and there's the free software that you get. Free software, brandable ebooks, and more. Okay? Okay, take good care. I'll see you again soon. Bye now.